Hey everyone! Want to make your study sessions more engaging? With Lumio AI, you can turn your notes into interactive flashcards using just simple prompt. Let's get started. First, search for Lumio AI and log into your account. Then here in the prompt box, try something like create interactive flashcards from these notes about your specific topic. Then here, copy and paste your study notes right after your prompt. Then click generate and the Lumio AI will instantly create a question and answer style flashcards. Then you can review the flashcards. You can tweak the wording, add more details, or delete unnecessary ones. And the Lumio AI's flashcard mode to quiz yourself interactively until you master the topic. And that's it. With just one prompt, Lumio AI turns your plain notes into interactive flashcards to help you study smarter. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.